So if you're watching this video because you want to know what your why is and why your why is the most important tool you have to reach your success, stick around with this video and let's jump into it. So guys, welcome to this video. It will be a quick one, a quick rant for all you guys that are busy and don't have time. This will be really quick. So basically I want to speak about your why and why your why mindfuck. I know it sounds mind fucking, but why your why is the most important thing. All right? Whenever you have made a promise to yourself, whenever you have made a promise about a goal you want to succeed, like a goal you want to have, or like something you want to work towards, a fitness goal or a financial goal, and whenever you're trying to put in the work, the late night shifts, the workouts in order to get closer to your goals, and you don't feel like you have the motivation to do it, that's when your why kicks in. All right, your why kicks in when you don't feel like going anymore. And if your why is strong enough, you will always find that little carrot that keeps you going. Let's say, for example, me. I've set a goal that at least 250 days of 2018, I want to wake up at 6 a.m. 5 days a week, all right? So Monday to Friday, I wake up 5 days a week. Doesn't matter if I'm free, if I don't have work or university, I wake up 6 a.m. 5 times a week. And it's really, really hard when I've slept just a few hours and my alarm goes up and I know I don't have work, I don't have school, I'm not supposed to be anywhere. And like everything in my body says, Miro, stay in bed. It's dark outside. It's minus 15 degrees. What are you doing? Nobody's up now. And then my why kicks in. My why is that, hey, I want to take care of my mother. I want to take care of my family. I want a better life for myself. I will get up earlier if that's what it takes. I will work out longer if that's what's been demanded from me to reach my fitness goals. I will put in later shifts, work harder if I know that I will get closer to my business goals. And that is your why. What is your why? Why do you need to work harder? Why do you need to go to the gym? Why do you need to start a business? And everybody's why is different. My why is that I want to give back to my family. Whenever I'm tired, I remember my family. They left their parents, they left everything behind them when they were 20 years old just to move to Europe to give me and my sister a better life. Because they didn't want us to be born and raised in poverty like they were. So they wanted a better future for us. And whenever I get tired, I think I get memories from when I was a kid and my mother, she didn't have $1 to buy me and my sister something. Some days, me and my sister ate and my parents didn't, just because we didn't have enough money. And that's my why, all right? Whenever I get tired, I dig deep. Whenever I don't want to get out of bed at 6 a.m., whenever I don't want to work, my why kicks in. I start remembering. That's my motivation. Having a Lamborghini or a dream house, it's not enough as a why. You need to have something more sentimental, something deeper within. You gotta find your reasons. And everybody's why is different. Maybe it's the fact that your father left you or divorced, like your parents divorced. Maybe your sister died. I don't know. But whatever keeps you going, whatever gives you motivation during the times when it's dark, when you don't want to keep going, that's your why, and you gotta use it wisely to your advantage, guys. Find your why and you will never fail. Believe me, at the end you will be successful, because no matter how hard life hits you, you will find your why that keeps you going. All right? So nothing special, honestly, just me. I had that. I felt as if I needed to get that out. It's so important. People always ask me, how do you do that? How do you manage school and university and business and blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, man, if there's a will, there's a way. You gotta find your why. Let me show you. Whenever I get tired, whenever I get freaking tired that I don't want to work anymore, I remember this cold, my why, all right? I want to give a better future for my parents. They don't want to live in this cold their whole life. All right? We have a nice house now. My father has worked really hard and really climbed up and started his own business and stuff. All right, that's good, but I don't want him to work fucking 14 hours a day as he's doing right now his whole life, living in this cold. And that's my why. I want to take care of them, all right? I want to get them out of this. I'm really blessed, but I want to do everything I can for them so that they can rest, because they're becoming old. And I me personally want to get out of this cold. This cold drives me insane. And that's my why. The snow is my why. Whatever is your why, use it. All right? Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.